Most guys think wavy hair is genetics. That belief alone keeps them average, because your hair already has potential. You're just flattening it every morning. In this video, you'll fix that. From quick waves, to long-lasting texture, to a system that keeps it sharp every day, you'll learn everything about how to cut it, exactly what to tell your barber, how to maintain it, and most importantly, how to get that effortless, cool look, even if your hair is dry, lifeless, thin, or greasy. Same guy, same face, different presence? Let's fix yours. Point 1. You're washing away your potential. Most guys think washing your hair every day is clean. Actually, it's the fastest way to destroy your texture. Here's what happens. Every time you shampoo, you strip away your natural oils. And those oils, they're not dirt. They are your styling foundation. Without them, your hair becomes too soft, too smooth. It slips, it falls, it refuses to hold any shape. That's why your hair might look nice right after washing, but 2 hours later, flat. And over time, it gets worse, because your scalp starts overproducing oil to compensate. So now you're stuck in a loop. Wash, flat, greasy, wash again. That loop kills your look slowly. Fix this. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times per week max. On other days, rinse with water. Use dry shampoo if needed. Let your natural oils build slightly. That creates grip. Grip creates shape. Point 2. You're styling against your hair. Most guys think styling means control, so they grab a comb. And that's exactly where things go wrong. Here's what happens. A comb forces your hair into straight lines. Every strand sticks together. No space, no separation, no movement. Your hair becomes one flat surface. It looks clean, but it's lifeless. And after a few hours, gravity wins again. Fix this. Stop using combs for styling. Use your fingers only. Lift from the roots. Twist small sections. This creates separation, and separation is where texture is born. Controlled chaos beats flat perfection. Point 3. Fast waves, the confidence boost. Most guys want instant results, and that's fine, because quick wins build momentum, but you need to understand this clearly. Temporary methods change your look, not your hair. Here's what happens. You use the right product, style it correctly, and suddenly, your hair looks completely different. More volume, more movement, more presence, but then you wash it, and it's gone. That's why most guys quit. They think it doesn't work. It does. You just misunderstood the goal. Temporary methods are training. They teach your hair how to behave. Fix this. Slightly damp hair. Sea salt spray. Scrunch upward. Let it air dry. Optional. Add light clay to hold shape. This adds roughness to your hair, and that roughness creates bends, which become waves. Texture equals liveliness. Now you get the shift that changes everything. Right now, you're still thinking like most guys. How do I style my hair better? That's the wrong question, because styling is temporary. The real question is, how do I change my haircut? Because once your haircut changes, you don't fight your hair anymore. Your hair works with you, and that's where everything changes. Point 4. Your haircut is killing volume. Most guys blame their hair, but it's their haircut. Here's what happens. If all your hair is the same length, it becomes heavy, and heavy hair falls. No lift, no movement, just flat weight sitting on your head. That instantly weakens your appearance. Fix this. Ask your barber for layering. Remove bulk. Create variation. Layers allow your hair to move freely. They reduce weight, and that's what allows waves to form naturally. Without layers, you're fighting gravity every day. Weight kills waves. Point 5. Test before you transform. Most guys jump into changes blindly, then regret it. Smart men test first. Fix this. Divide hair into sections. Twist into small buns. Leave overnight. Open in the morning. Now you see how waves look on your face. No risk, no damage, just clarity. Test first. Commit later. Point 6. Why your waves don't last. This is where most guys fail. They get waves, but can't keep them, because they ignore one thing, hair care, and without care, everything collapses. So now we build your system, hair care system. The second level, this is where your results become permanent. Not because your hair magically changes, but because your habits do. Step 1. Cleansing, foundation. Most guys think shampoo fixes hair. It doesn't. Shampoo only cleans, nothing more. Here's what happens. Dust, sweat, oil build up on your scalp. Your follicles get blocked. Hair becomes weaker, thinner, lifeless. Fix this. Choose shampoo based on your scalp. Oily, deep cleansing. Normal, mild shampoo. Dandruff, medicated. And most important, massage gently, not aggressively. Let your scalp breathe again. Healthy scalp equals better hair. Step 2, conditioning, control layer. Most guys skip conditioner. That's a mistake. Here's what happens. Shampoo removes moisture. Your hair becomes rough, frizzy, unpredictable. And wavy hair without moisture looks messy, not attractive. Fix this. Apply conditioner after every wash. Focus on lengths. Let it sit. This restores control, softness, shine. Now your waves look intentional, not random. Moisture creates control. Step 3, drying, silent damage. Most guys destroy their hair after shower. They just don't see it. Here's what happens. You rub your hair aggressively. You use hot air, day after day. Slow damage builds, breakage, frizz, and your waves lose definition. Fix this. Pat dry, don't rub. Use soft towel or shirt. Blow dry on low heat only. Heat is silent damage. What you don't see still damages you. Step 4, moisture and protection. Most guys think oil goes on the scalp. Wrong. Your scalp already produces oil. Too much equals problems. Fix this. Apply small oil or serum to hair only, not scalp. Focus on ends. This locks moisture inside your hair and keeps your waves defined all day. Control the ends. Control the waves. Step 5, nutrition, the hidden layer. This is where 90% of men fail because they ignore it. But here's the truth. Your hair is built from your diet, not your products. Fix this. Protein daily, healthy fats, vitamins, hydration. Bad input equals weak hair. Weak hair equals no structure. No structure equals no waves. Simple. You grow what you feed. Bonus, how to make any hair type wavy permanently. Most guys think, my hair type just isn't made for waves. Wrong. Every hair type can become wavy. Same goal, different strategy. Straight hair. Add structure. Straight hair has zero resistance. That's why it falls flat. Fix this. Loose perm, not curls. Strong layering. Lightweight products. You don't need curls, you need bends. Straight hair needs structure. Wavy hair, unlock it. Most guys already have waves. They just destroy them. Overwashing, overstyling. Fix this. Wash less. Use leave-in conditioner. Add layers. You're not creating waves, you're revealing them. Stop fighting your texture. Curly hair, control it. Curly hair isn't the problem. Lack of control is. Fix this. Longer layers, strong conditioning, stretch curls into waves. You're not adding waves, you're relaxing curls. Control beats chaos. Thick hair, remove weight. Too much hair equals too much weight. It collapses on itself. Fix this. Layering, reduce bulk, medium length. Less weight equals more movement. Air creates waves. Flat and lifeless hair. Too clean, too soft, no grip. Fix this. Wash less. Add layers. Use sea salt spray. You need friction. Flat hair is a habit. Oily hair. Most guys wash more. That makes it worse. Fix this. Wash less. Be patient. Use light products. Balance your scalp. Control oil, don't fight it. Dry or frizzy hair. Frizz equals no control. Your hair expands. Looks messy. Fix this. Conditioner every wash. Leave-in conditioner. Light oil on ends. Turn chaos into structure. Waves are built, not given. The bonus, most men ignore. How to actually guide your barber. Most guys sit in the chair and say, short, controlled, cool. That's it. No direction, no result. And then they wonder why their hair still looks flat. Here's the truth. If you don't lead, you get average. The only sentence you need. Say this. I want medium length on top with layers. I want movement, not bulk. And don't make it too short or flat. That alone puts you ahead of most men. No instruction equals no transformation.